welcome to Meet Me at the Bar. My name is Amanda Powers and I'm going to be going over with you how to make a morning smoothie. It can also be used as a pre-workout due to the caffeine content. I like to use espresso or regular coffee in it, so it kind of gives you that extra boost that you need to get going. All right, let's get started. All right, so our first step, you can use any blender for this. I like to put 2 tablespoons of cacao in it. I just use a regular kitchen tablespoon. Cacao gives it a little bit of a chocolatey taste. I use dates for a sweetener, so like any sort of pitted dried date for a sweetener, I put 3 or 4. I use coconut milk, so you can put however you would take your regular coffee in the morning, your desired amount of coconut milk. You can use oat milk, almond milk, really whatever kind of milk you want. I put 1 scoop of Organifi in it. Organifi is a type of protein. I choose Organifi due to the fact it only has 2 grams of sugar, very low sugar content. And then on top of it, it's made with all organic ingredients, so it's really a healthier protein than your average protein. So 1 scoop. I add a cup of coffee. Put in a half of a banana. If you like it kind of like a frappuccino, I add ice cubes. Blend for 30 seconds to a minute, and then when it's all done, get a coffee looking frappuccino to get you ready to start your day.